Could buying a house with a bad roof be the best investment you ever make? Sounds crazy, right? But in the right situation, what looks like a major problem could actually be a hidden opportunity. A bad roof could scare away buyers, drive down competition, and even open up the door for great deals. If you know what you're doing, that is. But before we go all in, let's talk about what you need to know before making that decision. Buying a home is a huge investment, and a bad roof can feel like a deal breaker. It's one of the most expensive repairs a homeowner can face, and it can impact everything from insurance costs to overall safety of the home. But does that mean you should walk away immediately? Not necessarily. Today we're breaking down the key factors you need to consider when faced with the house that has roofing issues. A roof doesn't just keep you dry, it protects the structure of the home. Over time, wear and tear can lead to leaks, mold, structural damage, and even a compromised foundation. Signs of trouble include missing shingles, sagging, water stains on the ceiling, and even visible daylight in the attic space. But here's the kicker. Just because a roof is bad doesn't mean the deal is. It all comes down to the numbers and the negotiation strategy. So what do you do if the home you want has a failing roof? Here are the key steps. Get a professional roof inspection. Don't rely just on the home inspection. Hire a roofing specialist to assess the actual damage and estimate the repair or replacement costs. Check insurance and loan requirements. Some insurance companies won't cover a home with an old roof or damaged roof, and lenders may require repairs before closing. Know what you're up against. Negotiate like a pro. Use the inspection report to negotiate the price down, ask the seller to cover repairs, or request seller concessions to offset the costs. Do the math. Compare the cost of the repairs to the potential equity. If the discount on the home is greater than the repair cost, it might be still a great deal to pursue. Let me give you a real-world example. A buyer found a home listed at $350,000, but the roof was in bad shape. A roofing contractor estimated repairs at $15,000. Because of the issue, the buyer negotiated $25,000 off the price and used part of the savings to replace the roof. Fast forward a year later, and the home's value was increased by $40,000. That's a huge win. But on the flip side, I've seen buyers get in over their head, thinking that they have a great deal, only to find out that the bad roof had caused major structural issues. So always do your due diligence when looking for roof repair estimates. Now, some people will tell you that buying a house with a bad roof is a disaster waiting to happen, and they're not entirely wrong. If the damage extends beyond the roof, if there's mold or water intrusion or even pest infestations, you could be taking on more than just a roofing bill. That's why inspections are non-negotiable. Bottom line, buying a house with a bad roof can be a great opportunity, but only if you run the numbers, negotiate smartly, and know exactly what you're walking into. Never assume, always inspect, and make sure the financial upside outweighs the risk. Have you ever considered buying a home with a bad roof? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love to hear your experiences. And if you want more home buying tips, check out my next video right here. Also, before you leave, make sure you like, subscribe, and share for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.